The seat is all the way back, and all you feel is all your fat go.
Oh, I heard.
And here's this one guy come out with his phone from the truck place going. Yeah. And I think he like reported me. So for F150, you had a Dana 44 front, was typical, and a Dana, you had a 9-inch in the rear, usually typically, or 8.5 inch. It wasn't really a 9-inch, it was 8.5 inch.
Yeah.
And then for F250s, the normal way was a Dana 44 in the front and a Dana 60 in the rear.
Okay.
But once you got to the F2, some people ordered a Dana 60 as well in the front, so you had 2 Dana 60s, aka strong as hell. Yeah. Your F350s had both Dana 60s, depending on if they ordered the strong package or the light package. Now the F450s and all that.
Ford make the Dana 60?
Yeah, they make that.
Well, because
Clint said that the Dana 60 also came in the Challenger.
The Dodges, the Challengers, and all that also have Dana 60s. It's not actually for a Ford, but each company made it and called it the Dana 60.
Yeah.
Are all the parts interchangeable? No. Some can be and some can't be. You just got to look up your research and see what you can get it from. Yeah. And don't even ask me about all the gearing.
strong as shit.
Because you got 302 gearing, you got 355 gearing, you got 410s, 411s.
The higher gears for more torque.
The higher gears for more torque, but if you have 410s, you're going to be wrapping out about 35, $4 grand going 60. Yeah. That's what that truck
that's gross.
Yeah.
So it's really just cattle.
These are 355 gears inside. So I'll be wrapping out with about, what did it say, 3 grand? But then when I put my ZF5 from a 90s Ford F250 in there, I'm going to be wrapping out about 1,800.
So
Grand.
when you go up in numbers, you're going longer, right?
Yes. If you go up in gear,
Yeah.
if you go up in gear, the more torque. But if you go down, the less torque. I look at it as the higher gears, the more RPMs.
Yeah.
The less gears, lower RPMs. Just because if you want more torque, 410s, you're gonna be pulling fucking stump pullers out all day. But if you go down in gears, you ain't gonna be pulling as much, but you can still pull. So that's why I went with the happy medium with the 355, so I can actually pull, you know, a car or something.
Yeah, because I used to have 355s in my car. And they're super short. Yeah, they go super short. Now I got those 273s.
Yeah, your Fox body, what is that? Isn't that fucking torquey?
Yeah.
You rode in
step
it?
on the
You
gas
rode in it, didn't
barely,
you?
and he's like,
Well, it's kind of funny because his seat, his seat is all the way back, and all you feel is all your fat go.
Got new sway bar bushings too.
Fuck yeah, dude. Fucking blue, baby.
New seals, hell yeah, boy.
Oh,
Did you put new calipers on there too? Yeah.
you did? Brand new?
Oh yeah, those are brand new. Those still have the red caps on the insides.
Dang. Those are enormous. They're like Brembos, but not.
Yeah, you gotta have that stopping power. For all the horsepower behind that 400, you know.
You make your manual tell you what.
I
Oh.
tell you what, I took that when I got the engine rebuilt. I took it out there where that horseshoe is, out there, that cul-de-sac, and me and Xavier was out there doing fucking cookies in my truck.
Oh, I heard.
And here's this one guy come out with his phone from the truck place going.
That's fucking funny.
And I think he like reported me because I like immediately came back here, tarped my truck up and put it outside.
Yeah.
And I saw a cop go up and down around this area a couple of times right after I did that. And I'm like, there's no 78 black and white F250 here.
It's a ghost video.
I remember when me and Danny were drifting over there and he put his Marquise in the ditch.
Oh, did he
I
actually?
remember that.
And his
Was
back
that-
2 tires were off the ground.
Yeah.
It was
God.
fucking funny. Oh, and I had to tow strap him out with the truck. Yes, sir.
It's the best spot to do anything over there, though.
Yeah.
It is.
It's
It
gravel.
truthfully is.
It's fun. It's better though when you can do burnout cookies on concrete.
On the street.
Tell you what.
Can't do that in
You're
a Ford.
You're a concrete guy.
I'm a concrete cowboy. Tell you what.